Actually, I have a surprise. Oh my god. Sarah, I know this is long way overdue, mahal.
So beautiful.
Pero ikaw na talaga yung mga kasama ko sa buong buhay. And I'm so lucky na ikaw yung partner ko. For all these years, after all these years, ito na, papakasal na tayo.
No.
Will you marry me?
Yes, okay. No. So beautiful.
I love you.
So beautiful.
No. Okay, I should get it. I know this is long way overdue, mahal. Pero ikaw na talaga yung mga